Today, I'm going to put together the Syma x86c Venture Quadcopter. It's an easy drone to put together, so don't let all the pieces scare you. First, remove all the parts out of the box. Installing the safety guards, also known as the protecting frames, is a good idea. Some people skip this step, but if your drone crashes, you'll be glad you have these safety guards. Pull out the plastic decoration from each side. Take the guard and slide it in its place. Turn the drone over and locate the screw holes. Insert one of the small screws and tighten it. Do the same for the other three sides. Once you assemble all four safety guards, it should look like this, with the lampshades facing down and safety guards facing upward. You can get rid of the decorating pieces you took out. You will not need them if you installed the safety guards. Next, I'll install the stands, also known as the landing skids. The stand fits easily right here. Locate the two screw holes and the wide screws and tighten them into place. Do the same on the other three sides. Once all four stands are in place, you can stand the drone. Awesome! To install the camera, get it out of its plastic wrap and slide it to its location on the bottom of the drone. To install the battery, open the battery cover and pull out the two wires. You'll see one red and one black. The battery also has two wires, red and black. You can only fit them together one way, red to red and black to black. Once done, insert the battery all the way into the battery holder and close the cover. To install the fan blades, locate 4 fan blades. You'll only need 4. The blade is going to fit right here, so you'll need to remove the lock stitch by turning it 90 degrees. If it's tight and hard to remove, very gently pull it up a bit. Turn it 90 degrees until you see the little iron shaft and then pull the lock stitch down and remove the iron shaft. Save it, since you'll need it in a second. Now, pull the lock stitch out. Now, install the blade. Add the lock stitch. Insert the iron shaft back. And turn the lock stitch 90 degrees to lock it in place. Once you're done, take an ornamental blade cover and screw it on top. You'll need to charge your drone for 3.5 hours before you fly it. So open the battery cover, connect the white cable with the charger, and plug it in your electric power. While your drone is charging, add batteries to your remote control. You'll need 4 1.5-volt AA batteries. Supply your own since they're not included in the box. Take your remote, open the cover in the back and install your batteries as shown. Enjoy! And don't forget to register your drone online with the FAA.